today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent image in Google Slides, a complete guide for 2025. This is an incredibly useful skill for presentations, graphic design, or any project where you want your visuals to look polished and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create transparent images with ease, adding depth and style to your slides. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not signed in, log in with your Google account. Being signed in gives you access to all your existing presentations and the ability to create new ones that are automatically saved to your cloud. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you can either start with a blank presentation or choose from one of the many templates available. Templates are helpful if you want a structured layout or a specific theme to work with. Next, it's time to add an image to your slide. Click on the Insert menu at the top, then select Image. You'll have several options to choose from: upload from your computer, search the web, use Google Drive, or even Google Photos. Pick the option that works best for your project and insert the image onto your slide. Once your image is in place, click on it to select it. You should see a blue border around the image, indicating that it's active and ready for editing. Now, go to the Format menu at the top of the screen and select Format Options. This will open a panel on the right-hand side of your screen where you can adjust various properties of your image, including size, recoloring, and more. In this panel, look for the Adjustments section. Here, you'll find a slider labeled Transparency or Opacity, depending on your version of Google Slides. Use the slider to set your desired level of transparency. Drag it to the left to make the image more transparent, or to the right to make it less transparent. You'll see the changes happen in real time on your slide, which makes it easy to find the perfect balance. This technique allows you to layer images, blend visuals into your background, or create subtle overlays that enhance your overall slide design. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully made your image transparent in Google Slides. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how your presentation looks and feels, giving it a professional, polished appearance. Experiment with different transparency levels to see what works best for your content, and don't be afraid to combine images with shapes and text for creative effects. Thanks for watching this full 2025 guide. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Google Slides tips and tutorials. Keep practicing, and your presentations will look more engaging and professional than ever. Happy presenting.